Hello, welcome to 52 Weeks. This is week 8, and we're still working in through the Landuse chapter. And this part is going to kind of summarize the discussion of what do we need to do for the future central business district and triple bottom line of Harrisburg. Looking at the future central business district, the question comes up, how are offices classified? And I think this is key to point out. So we understand the classification based on location, the building age and condition, the amenities that the building has, and the aesthetics of the building. And we talk about Class A, just for anybody out there, this is not a real estate lesson, but I'm just giving you the basics. So when you hear Class A office space, generally it's a prestigious building. We've got premier office users, above average rent, high quality finishes, state-of-the-art building systems. So we look at any cities that are thriving in a sense, they're having a really healthy mix of Class A, B, and C offices. That's where we need to be. If we're missing Class A, no one's going to be wanting to reside here, national and global. Class B. So what is Class B office space? This is an average building with wide range of office users. It's kind of the meet-all, end-all for anybody who's looking for office space. Average rent, fair to good quality finishes, things that are going to last, and average building systems. Class C office space, we've got a functional building, wide range of office users, again, below average rents, fair quality finishes, and fair building systems. And those are the things that kind of separate the A, B, and C. So when we get to the point of, well, why are we where we are at? Again, I think it falls back to short-term thinking. We have not planned these things out. We have not given consideration to long-term game that we're playing. So we have lack of planning that's kept us in a loop, traditional patterns and systems, and we thinking that this will fix a locked position. So it's critical in the comp plan is to think beyond the central business district. Everybody continues to put in like, oh, if we only do something downtown, bring more people downtown, do this and that, but not understanding that downtown's landlocked with the size of square foot and floor plates. That's a problem. We can continue to say, let's build downtown, but if we're not putting out any connections to the market, the needs that are out there, we're never going to grow to what we really need to be. And that's not in a single mindset. This is part of the economics in a triple bottom line. So we need to be really honest with the central business district that has been locked in. Our current central business district, our economic engine, has run its course. I think that's the best thing to be thinking about in Harrisburg. So what do we do about that? Well, we need to be thinking in long-term thinking. Innovation all around our city and within our neighborhoods is necessary. Again, innovation all around our city and within our neighborhoods is necessary. Harrisburg can be what no other local area has accomplished. So when we think about this, we've got the walkability, we've got a diverse population, we're celebrating different cultures. It is something that is different and unique than anything out there. Yes, we can then develop the places and neighborhoods that are mixed use and have mixes of local community grocery. We have local amenities that are there that we all enjoy in our neighborhoods, developing the restaurants, continue to build this up in a triple bottom line mindset. And lastly, to wrap up this part in part 2, in chapter 2, is looking at three horizon thinking. So when we understand that this landlocked central business district is happening, what do we develop around the city rather than the center? So in the past, the downtown gateway, Southern Gateway 2005 time area, we've got the Harrisburg Transportation Center, which has a huge connection. We talked about that as being an elbow with the two areas of the River District and the Hill District, and then the 6th Street Ridge area and the development along McClay, 6th and 7th Street as the potential for a new central business district.